EWM application engineer Kevin Kempf on his way to see a customer. Today, he's going to Alwitra in Trier. Alwitra is one of the leading manufacturers of flat roof systems. At several locations, over 300 employees produce all parts of a complete bitumen-free flat roof system, special aluminium profiles for wall coverings, and much more. For welding, Alwitra has successfully used power sources from EWM for a long time. So that's who they called first for a somewhat unusual request: to make an old but perfectly usable robot fit for the future. Kevin Kempf and his colleagues from application engineering at EWM decided to upgrade the robot with the latest welding technology. Welding specialist Lucas Schmidt from Alwitra worked on the project.
The task EWM faced was to see if they could even weld our components. As we were happy with the results, we started a field test in our plant, where the application engineers came and converted our robot.
It already had an older generation EWM power source, and now we have connected the digital system to the analog technology via our interface. We used a Rintex 12 as a robot interface and extended the collision sensor outside of the robot to the power source.
Haben die Abschaltdose auswärts oder außerhalb des Roboters weitergeführt in die Stromquelle.
The welding process we use is EWM React. React stands for Reversing, Actively Controlled, Transfer. The process is intended for automated welding with robots and cobots. EWM React combines the benefits of an energy-saving, digitally controlled short arc with dynamic wire movement. The active forward-backward movement ensures stable and virtually spatter-free droplet transfer. Exactly what Alwitra needs. Some parts of the finished roof and wall elements are installed unpainted where they can be seen. You can't afford burnt-through seams. Other parts are powder-coated. In this case, the virtually spatter-free results with EWM React save a lot of time and make the work more efficient. At Alwitra, efficiency means using the latest technology, like here for cutting or bending sheet metal. Reconciling efficiency and ecology is not just part of the mission at Alwitra. It is what they do. For example, their highly modern powder coating system complies with the highest environmental standards. Back to the welding robot with the EWM React system. Lucas Schmidt and application engineer Kevin Kempf want to find out how EWM React has been performing the past few weeks. They do a series of test welds on original components.
I have to say, we are absolutely thrilled, feeling very positive. With most products, we save about a minute of welding time per part. Add to that the parts we would have had to rework before, or malfunctions that no longer occur. And we also save about a minute of post-weld work.
That may not sound like much, but altogether, EWM React just about cuts the time in half. Especially for producing parts in series, that is an economic and ecological benefit, as quick processes save not just costs, but energy too. Other advantages, like low distortion and the stable arc, make EWM React the ideal tool for Alwitra.
They did a great job making it happen. We have come a long way with our products, both in terms of quality and quantity.
For Alwitra, EWM React is an important building block for future success. If you want to learn more about EWM React, take a look at our homepage. The link is in the description. or contact your welding consultant. Alwitra and EWM, a great team.